thank you all on behalf of CGIL for the invitation to participate in this 75th Congress of General Workers' Union and excuse our Secretary General, Susanna Camusso, who cannot be here with us today. As you may know, Susanna is running for the position of Secretary General of ITUC, and we are also busy with the proceedings of our Congress that will take place in January 2019. This can be the occasion for us to strengthen further the relation between General Workers' Union and CGIL. Our organization has been historically connected, and we hope that our collaboration can continue in the future to face the present and future challenges, common challenges. The first is European dimension. The European continent is witnessing a deterioration of values. The crisis has had a very negative impact on our society, especially in Southern Europe. There was a deficit of attention, a political deficit, and a deficit of values. Is at the center of the political debate in my country. The debate is very heated right now because of the preparation of the first budget law from the new government, the yellow-green majority government. CGIL has been and will continue to be firmly pro-European organization, a pro-European organization.